night before. You want to get the hair replacement done. Stick with me and let's see how this thing looks.
What do you think?
I love it. That's amazing.
You feel like real hair?
It does.
Looks like it's growing right out of your head, huh?
It does.
So Callie's gonna give you a cut in the style. I'll see you downstairs in a little bit. So what did you think?
I love it.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It's crazy. You know, I thought I was going to feel like I had something sitting on my head, and I don't at all.
You like it?
Yeah, it's amazing.
As you see, the hairline looks great. I would highly recommend getting it done.